Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Luxpower EV charger access with user accounts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize the Luxpower EV charger access with user accounts, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the Luxpower mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of the app. Look for the option labeled User Management or Account Settings. Select Add User to begin the authorization process. Enter the email address of the user you wish to authorize. Choose the level of access you want to grant this user, such as admin or standard user. After selecting the access level, click on the Send Invitation button. The invited user will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation. Inform the invited user to open their email and click on the link provided. They will be redirected to the Luxpower app or website to create their own account if they don't have one. Once they complete the account setup, they will be able to access the EV charger. Return to your app to confirm that the user has been added successfully. You can manage existing users from the same User Management section. To remove a user, simply select their account and choose the Remove option. Make sure to save any changes you make during this process. You have now successfully authorized a user for access to your Luxpower EV charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.